Hi guys, this is Shivardi. In this session, I am going to explain unsigned data types in Java. Java does not support unsigned data types. What is meant by data type? So data type basically tells us what type of data it is going to hold and how much memory it requires to hold the data type, and also what is the min and max value of the given data type. So these are the things when you define any variable with the data type, it is going to give the information. In Java, all the primitive data types like byte, int, short, long, double are signed data types. When we say signed data type, each data type will have its min and max value. So half of the range of the values it will be in the negative, and half of the values it is can hold will be in the positive. For example, if we take byte, the range is going to be minus 128 to 127. That is the complete range. But in the case of unsigned data type, it always holds the only positive value and 0. That means whatever the value you are going to assign to unsigned data type should be 0 or greater than or equal to 0. And also based on the data type, it has its own man and max value for that given data type. But in Java 8 onwards, there are few static methods are available in the wrapper classes like byte, int, long. By using those static methods, we can basically achieve the unsigned functionality. The main use case where we are going to use the unsigned data type are if you want to basically count how many users logged into the system, that will always be the positive number. Similarly, if you want to basically calculate the principal interest, then interest rate is also going to be like a positive value. So these type of scenarios where we require the unsigned data type, and by using these static methods available in the wrapper classes like byte, int, we can achieve this functionality. Let's go and see how we can um, get the unsigned value for the given data types. So let's say primitive byte signed value equal to, let's say, 20. And now we want to basically get the unsigned value for this. So we can get unsigned value using byte dot to unsigned int, and we can pass the signed value. So let us print this value system.out.println. Okay, so now let's go ahead and run this program. Okay, so this is the unsigned value for the given signed value. Similarly, let's say int signed int val equal to minus 1 to 3. Now if you want to get the unsigned value, then we have integer wrapper class dot to unsigned long, and we have to pass the signed int value. Now let's go and run this program. Then this is the unsigned value for the given signed int value. But if you see here, instead of actually we are trying to convert within the byte, we are taking the next highest level data type, which is the integer. In the case of byte, we are trying to convert the int, because when you talk about the unsigned, the range is going to be doubled. In the case of signed value, you will have the negative and positive values. That's the reason the whole the byte how it is going to stored in the binary format is going to be changed. That's the reason we have to basically use the we basically have to use the higher data type while you are trying to get the signed value. Similarly here, whenever I am trying to get the um, unsigned value for the integer, I am trying to get from the long because same region. Whenever we are trying to get the unsigned, the range is going to be double. So that's the reason we are using the integer tag to unsigned long. Okay, so this is how basically you can use, um, you can basically get the unsigned data for the given signed value. And also here few things like integer dot divide unsigned also will be there. Now we can specify signed into value, signed into value comma signed value. You can okay, now we can go ahead and print this value, it will be 0. Okay, so this is how you can basically use Java wrapper classes to achieve the unsigned functionality. Thank you for watching.